What's good, everybody? Hope you're all having a profitable week. If not, just know you're not the only one. Q4 has been treating us all like ass, but you just gotta persevere, for real. If you make it to Q1 of next year, you are definitely on the right track to be a rich motherfucker. Anyways, on to the main subject of the video. Actually, wait. Quick little side note. As a day trader, I think I'm gonna be stepping down from trading Wednesdays. It's really not gonna be a big change, but I'm just looking back on my journal, and all of the losses seem to be on Wednesdays, or a good majority of them. And yeah, I just don't be winning on Wednesdays like that. So, and I'm not trying to copy Doyle too much, but bro obviously knows what he's doing. Anyways, enough of the yapping and the side talk. I'm gonna send you on over to future me on the charts, and see what I was thinking about the charts today. See what I saw, and hope you took some of these trades. Alright, yo guys, so pretty much from the charts, I've been looking in the 15-minute these past couple days, and what I've been looking for mainly is a strong break of structure on multiple swings. See how this breaks down here. Multiple breaks of structure. As you can see, this swing and this minor swing both just get completely invalidated. Not invalidated, but broken. And yeah, obviously you see how it already makes a lower high, comes down, another lower high, and from here I'd be looking at the zone that was made on the movement that broke market structure, which is a very big zone, but it's got gaps here which are needing to be filled before it's tapped, so I'd say high probability. And obviously you see good wick in here, never broke, only broke candle here, so to be honest that is not the best entry, but this is just the first example that I've seen, and I saw this actual time. Also, it is pretty early. This is a 9:30 trade, and that's UK time, so that will be way too early for people in the US, because this is London session, just an hour and a half after it opened. That's still a 1 to 2 with this big ass stop loss. So could have thrown a better entry, but I had work, so I was just looking at what I could look at. Okay, but something else I kind of saw whilst also looking at the market is on this same pair, kind of happened on a smaller time frame, or just a less significant time frame. Same, because if you go into the line chart, you can see like minor there, or like a minor, I don't know what the fuck to call that, but we see these swings all get invalidated by this push down, and then it comes back and obviously taps this zone, and it's the exact same thing. Ends on break of candle, which would have been down here, because actually break could have been here, and I don't know where you'd set stop, maybe mid zone, because there isn't really a good wick in by that point. Like, having your stop this tight is kind of, and that already goes for a 1 to 1.5. I'll probably be aiming for this somewhat liquidity here. So, yeah, 1 to 1.4, straight into another setup because it broke more swings. Cool, so that was EJ. That's a pair that I don't actually trade too much, but when I do trade it, I get pretty good wins. I think on this live account that I'm currently on, I maybe have taken 2 trades with EJ, and yeah, they've been treating me good when they actually do throw. Okay, so I was asking around when I came back from work. I was just asking the Discord and some friends, like, what was the move of the day? And apparently it was this 5-minute zone on GU, or maybe GJ did this similar thing. I know they're very similar markets, but they said GU, and I believe it was this zone just here, which breaks market structure. Well, I mean, it's been breaking market structure for a long time, but high probability zone. This gap just needs to be filled, this gap just here. And what do we see? We see that happen exactly. I mean, by this point, it's kind of creating a minor swing, so it's kind of breaking market structure to the upside to get to this zone. I don't know if I personally would have taken it, but I don't think the market was really treating us today. So we see a pretty tight entry, and yeah, man, a 1 to 3. Like, there's not much you can complain about such a momentous move. I mean, I don't know what this doji's doing. Just kind of stopped momentum and then started again, but I think that's a pretty good trade. And pretty clean considering what the market's been giving us. And it's a Wednesday, so... Well, I mean, just looking at things, you know, like it breaks market structure to the upside and comes back down to this demand zone. And just, I don't know, looking back at the market, it's just like, shit, I just could have made money there. But, I mean, by this point, it's pushing 3. Volatility usually would have gone down by there. And I think that's getting too late for the session that I trade, which is New York. So I actually start trading at 1. And in UK time, that is 1 hour before the market actually opens. I get market open, usually don't trade it, but I also can see the New York Stock Exchange open. So I think that's a good window to be looking at the markets. Again, man, just looking at the markets, I don't really see much on AU. Maybe after this zone was broken, this swing was broken. Get some light up in this bitch. Came up and tested this, but once again, man, it's just a not very nice looking market. It's just one of those things that you see afterwards. We're coming away from the 200, so probably does want to go up, but if you took that, good shit on you. I think I saw some people take that on Doyle's story. Shout out to the man. Don't think that would have been in my good books. I mean, entry really is just so tight on it, so there isn't much room for fail. If you took that, man, good shit. Good shit. I really do need to be maybe a little bit more lenient with what I do take. I'd be looking for high probability zones, which this is. I mean, actually, shit, maybe entry was all the way over here. Still such a good trade, and yeah, don't think you would have got stopped out unless your stop was very, very tight to that wick. Oh, mother. Oh, thank you. Got a quick little meal from the mother. Feels good. Alright, finally, I believe there was a move on NAS, but it kind of fucked around with people. Let me see what time it would have been. I think it was just before this move. So, yeah, I think it was all the way up here. So we see this zone, pretty strong, you know, rejections coming out of it, showing that maybe they're institutional candles. Market keeps going down. I mean, double top and shit. Market just playing around, you know. Wednesday shit, pretty much. Finally entered zone. I mean, entry just wasn't really clear here. If you got an aggressive, then you maybe would have gotten stopped out, which is unfortunate if you did. It's unfortunate, we all go there. But if you waited for break of candle, just here, and it's a bit risky because it's just before New York Stock Exchange. Actually, not really, it's a whole hour before. I don't know if you're trading an entire hour. I don't know how long you hold for. Probably just would have waited for grab liquidity just there. You know, that's already setting on a 1 to 3, which is crazy. But I mean, shit. Break of candle. Maybe if you, fuck me, moving your stop to break even and just holding through New York Stock Exchange open. Yeah, quick little 1 to 25. But yeah, we don't do that. That's like trading news. But I think that's all the market really threw. Considering the pairs that I actually trade. Here, see, I've kind of gone off AU. That shit has not been treating me good. But it treats other people good, so I'm just trying to hold on to it. So we'll see where that takes us. Once again, GU, it's just such a solid pair. I'm definitely keeping that. UJ I just don't really trade, because it just does shit like this. It just runs. So I never really see good setups. But when it does, you know, when the market's kind of looking normal, it does throw very good setups. So I just keep it. I just kind of look at it, and it doesn't really go further than that. Yeah, EU was looking consolidatory. I mean, for real, just go in the comments and tell me what you took, man. Or if you wanted somewhere else where I would engage a conversation with you, join up that Discord. There's loads of people that you could talk to, and it's just growing by the day. It's really cool to see. Send me a DM on Instagram. You know, I'm always active on there, so you are bound to get a reply. But I mean, considering markets, I think that's all it really threw today. I'm probably going to do one more of these, maybe tomorrow, to be honest. Trying to get some lessons out to you guys and using examples that actually happened on that day, rather than going out my way to go look for, you know, 10 out of 10 examples that just never really happen. I think that's a good way to show you guys, you know, what is commonly thrown and what you can commonly make money off. But yeah, like I said, it's a Wednesday and I didn't actually trade today, so I didn't take a loss. I'm fine with that. Alright, shit. See you on for the outro. Fuck me, no one says that. Alright, yo guys, I hope you enjoyed this format of video. I mean, I've been going through some different shit, so check out my recent few videos and see, you know, which one you like, what you want to see, because I'm open to suggestions. I'm a new man to the scene, so I don't want to get buckled down with something that you guys don't really like. So yeah, send me a little comment, send me a little DM, and as always, bro, have a good trading week, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace out, guys. I love you.